It is not a pipe dream to make $100 every 2 minutes. I'll show you how to make $100 every 2 minutes starting right now. It's an ideal way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a business. Plus, all the video-related work experience could hugely boost your CV and help you get a job related to film, TV, or digital media. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. I and a few others have been utilizing this new approach for over 2 weeks now, and it's the newest way to make money online. I'm going to teach you people how to make hundreds of dollars in every 2 minutes of labor. This is going to be completely wild, as I said. In 2022, this will be a simple way to earn money online. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch this video till the end without skipping anything. Before we get into the fresh information, pals, we release fresh money generating strategies every day. I'm going to show you how to make $100. I know I do. So if you want $100, put 100 in the comments section below, because I'll show you how to make $100 in just a matter of 2 minutes. No joke, and this is a worldwide phenomenon. Anyway, let's get started with the video today without any further ado. Okay, so today we'll be discussing one of my favorite websites for you. It's user-submitted lyrics. Now, I've completed all of my research on the greatest of the best testing platforms, and this is one of them, User Lyrics. Many people aren't aware of this website. So basically, we'll be the testers, trying out various items and services from various brands and companies. Essentially, this is a testing platform where different companies may have their products tested. That's basically everything you need to know. You can read more to learn more. So basically, you want to click the tester sign up button, which will take you to this page. So once again, we'll click sign up, which will bring us to this page. We'll be paid to evaluate websites, software apps, and other such things. This is the website for you, whatever it is. Companies are eager to hear your thoughts and are willing to pay for it. You can basically test these websites and applications while also getting compensated for being completely honest about your thoughts on the items and the services they provide. So look at this. You engage with a web or mobile app or any other form of digital asset, and you say your ideas and emotions out loud while doing so, and you only have to answer a few questions. A few questions to consider. Okay, remember folks, user testing is fun. There are a lot of things you have to do to get money if you work a 9-to-5 job, and a lot of things you do aren't actually that fun, but this is fun. This website is so much fun and pleasant that it makes you want to keep performing more tests and websites and simply checking all of these different platforms. Now, let's go to the money thing. Because this is the most important thing, get paid via PayPal. All you need is a PayPal account. And look at these men. They get paid $5, $10, $20, and up to $90 every job. That's fine, as many projects are only 5 to 10 minutes long, sometimes even less. So I'm not kidding when I say that if you put in this amount of effort, you can earn up to $90. This is 100% facts right here, and it's utterly insane. All you have to do now is sign up with your email address, confirm that you are 16 or older, and accept the terms of service under the privacy policy. I'll make it really simple for you. Anyone can do it, and you can just start it without giving it a second thought. Even a kindergartner can do it because you are given a set of objectives and directions to follow. You simply follow the objectives and directions, and that's it. You don't have to think for yourself. You don't have to build anything from scratch. You won't have to brainstorm or anything like that if you're beginning a business. Basically, all you have to do is follow the set of objectives and instructions they offer, accomplish the set of activities and instructions, and get paid for it. This is wild talk, and I can't believe I'm showing you this. I'm so excited, people. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, coworkers, and anybody else who might be interested. You can work from anywhere around the world, from the comfort of your own home, on your mobile device, desktop computer, or whatever you have, and you can start working on these projects right now. Have a look at this. It's in Europe, North America, South Africa, South Asia, Japan, China, and other countries across the globe. And you look at this. We are a worldwide supplier, and we're rapidly increasing. Okay, so they're always growing. You know, if your nation isn't on this list, like I said, it'll surely get there, and you'll be able to start testing next week or next month if you can't right now. And all you need is a desktop computer or a mobile device with an internet connection. You can find the instructions right here, and all you'll need is a mobile device, which you can get from either the Google Play Store or the App Store. Let's take a closer look at this. User-generated lyrics. Okay, here's the app, and here's how you sign up. You enter your information, create an account, and then it takes you to the app. So that's it, people. Because this app has a 4-star rating, you could first sign up for the website before downloading the app. Guys, as you can see right here, they have a very good star rating. And I also want you to know that these are their clients. They are Fortune 500 companies, which means they are the world's largest corporations. Their customers are actually Microsoft and Google. You know, all of these places, Dunkin' Donuts, like these are enormous companies, the biggest companies in the world. So, like I said, these are items that we use every day. So just provide your honest feedback on how these products work. There are a number of YouTubers who are talking about making money online, but most of them are not legit. To make sure you do not waste your time and efforts on some kind of scam way, here we bring you the easy and right ways that are often most acceptable and adoptable. These will not be fake and will provide you with the maximum benefit. There are also many articles published online, like the one here named as How to Make $100 Fast in a Day. The article shows 12 ways. None of them give you a 100% guarantee that it will work perfectly fine for you, or it'll make you the set around. Let's take the example of the first one. Claim sign-up bonuses and cash back. One of the ways it mentions is the Swag Bucks and Rote. Redeem a $20 welcome bonus when you sign up to get paid. This site has a lot of different tasks available to earn money, take surveys, watch videos, search the internet, all for a little extra cha-ching. You can also redeem your cash in the form of a gift card. Do you think that it works in the daily life? Do you think that it can create much difference in your income? Well, I don't think so, because it is something really very temporary. Another way it gave is to sell your clothes, and it again is a very temporary solution. You cannot make it a way of earning. The article says, do you have stacks of cash sitting in your attic, closet, or basement? You probably do in the form of stuff you've forgotten about or no longer need. Even worse, if you own a storage locker, you're probably paying good money for zero value in return. So why not sell this stuff and make extra cash while cleaning out your place at the same time? Selling unwanted items is a very quick way to make cash with a high earning potential, so if you want any permanent solution, then keep watching our videos. What do you think about today's video? Share with us in the comments section below. And don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about how you can make money online.